welcome to our channel.
Hello, welcome to our channel. This is Spam. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here, and to all our subscribers that's always there, thank you guys for coming back and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will be making another beautiful balloon bouquet using our 260Q or modeling balloon. All the materials and sizes that we have, we'll put it in the description down below. So with that said, we will start inflating our 260Q yellow. So we will stretch first before you inflate any balloon or 260Q balloon. All right. Right there. Okay. And I'm gonna make a knot. There. I usually squeeze my balloon just like that so it's nice and soft. So at the end it's about a fist. So now you fold this like this, about 4 fingers. After you fold this, pinch. You pinch the tip as well. Pinch and twist. Like that. And then the end right here, tuck it in. Okay. Squeeze it again, fold about 4 fingers or 3. It depends on how long the petal you wanted it to be, but for this particular, it's about 3. I should say not 4, but 3. Okay. After you do that, squeeze again, fold about 3 fingers. So now there's 3. Same thing, you fold. There's 4. Just like that. So now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you just have to arrange this in place. Now what I'm gonna do is tuck it in like that. Guys, and then I will cut that off. So the excess balloon, just have to wrap it around. Just like that, guys, and then arrange it in place. So we'll put this on the side. We have another 260Q. We'll use this for the stem. Again, stretch. Pump. And pump it all the way to the tip. Leaving a little extra here. Grab this end. You wrap it on here. Then you tie them together. And then I cut the excess. So now I'll put this on the side. I have white balloon. Pump just a little, make a knot. Push this in. Then you catch, you pinch it here, catch the tip, hold on to the tip from the inside, twist, and you tap this in here on the bottom. So you have that little dimple right there, okay? So I'll push the air to the end of your 260Q. I will cut this part. There it goes. Your balloon. Okay. So now I will hold on to the bottom part. And then I'll attach this here. Just wrap it around. So once we got this part, you put it on the side like this. It's gonna look like that, okay? So I already pre-made a lot of this, and I made some of this color as well. So we have 10 pieces of this color, and the yellow is 11 pieces. So what I have here is 260Q. I connect them all together. You will put it on the bottom. So we are now going to arrange our flower. So I will just mix them here, just like that. Then I just slide this here temporarily. So now we'll arrange them. So as I said, we'll mix them all. So basically I want the front to be lower, and as you go onto the back, it's gonna be like taller. So from shorter up. Okay. There you go guys, just like that. Shorter, and then as you go to the back, it's getting taller. And then we'll add some more flowers right here. So this is already pre-made. So if you want to know how I made this, right here we have a different video tutorial that you can follow right there. Please check that out. Just like that. And also this one right here, I made one of this in white, and again we have a different video tutorial you can check right there. If you're new to this channel, please check that out. So I'll add this. This one probably on this side. Also again, we'll arrange that in place. Alright, so I'll add another 260Q so it's easier to arrange. So it holds it in place. Now we'll add our lavender flower. We'll put this right on the center. Looking good so far. So now we'll just arrange this in place. So I want some of this flower facing up the front, just like what you see here. So I want it to face it this way. So in order to make it face this way, all you have to do is, let me take one of this so you'll see. On this part, you just have to make a pinch and then twist. And just leave it like that. So now they'll face this way instead of up this way. Now they're facing sideways or up front. Arrange this in place like that. We will cut this all in the same length. Alright, so we cut them all here, the excess. Now we have this green. We will replace this with our green balloon. Just like that. this on the back side. And the fourth one. So now we'll just have to cut the excess. Alright guys, there you go, and this is our flower bouquet. I hope you like this and learn something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.